Hello and welcome to the Resi family. Today I'll be sharing with you an easy way to fix your ergonomic chair or your office chair that is always sinking down. Have you been asking yourself, how can I be able to fix this? I've been driving through YouTube, browsing around, seeking a way to fix mine. I didn't come up with an easy or simple way. All the ways were to go out and buy more things to fix my chair. But I believe everyone has something in their homes that you can use to fix your lovely chair. So here we go. What you need first, you need an electric screwdriver, and also you need Phillips bits and some other types of bits. You also need some screws, and also you need a timber. You may also need a chainsaw to cut out those bits, those wood or timber woods that you'll be using. So now let's get in. I'll show you how. But first of all, let me apologize for I have done all things before I record my video, so I forgot to record all the steps, but I would just explain to you how everything works. Here we go. Now what you need a cut bit of wood which will sit in between of those two edges. Once it is all screwed in, it blocks the two edges from going up and down, as you can see. So this is how you fix it. So once you cut those bits, you can see when I'm moving up and down. So this will require a measurement. So mine, I have gone with 5.25 inches. It depends on your height that you are looking for, so measure the height that you are comfortable with and go with that size. This is a simple and easy way to fix your ergonomic chair, your office chair, the one you like using all the time when you just editing your videos, when you typing your emails and everything. This is a simple way. And this way you can also use a simple method by drawing, just by inserting two screwdrivers without using the timber. So that means the chair won't be able to go down. If you don't want to use the timber in between, you can also use a simple one. So this is after all is done. You can see this is my two lovely chairs that have fixed. Now they are good. They are no longer sinking, but they are just steady and strong as original. So now let's sit on and have a look. You can see when I'm moving this up and down, nothing goes up and down. The reason why we decided to go with the middle part is because we want to keep the same style of moving around. You know, it is when you're using your office, when you're sitting in your office, when you are editing, you need to grab something for yourself. You need to turn around without going up and stuff. So that is why I have come up with this solution that you can still enjoy the turning style without losing your comfortability. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and also don't forget to make a comment and like, and also, you know, check our channels on a regular basis. And once you subscribe, hit that bell button, turn on your bell notification, that whenever we upload a new video, you will be able to know what's going on. Thank you very much. This was the Resi family. Reverian. Stay tuned. Bye bye.